It's actually a lot bigger than what I expected. I mean, compared to my dishes, you see the coffee pot? Like, I had a little tiny coffee pot forever, so I finally broke down and got me one. And I think this was cheap, too. I can't remember. I bought this like a month ago. But it's Black & Decker. I mean, it works and everything. I've been using it, and my coffee tastes so good. I think when you have a new coffee maker and it doesn't have like the stains and stuff in it, I think it, and because it's new, like my coffee tastes so good, but it was worth the price. I had a coffee pot for like 10 years, so I got that, and I got a Black & Decker microwave too. They actually matched. I got both of these from Amazon actually. So I really like it. It works and everything. Really nothing to it. I mean, it's just a coffee pot. But, I mean, for the price, it's pretty big, too. I like it.
I bought this Black & Decker coffee pot. It makes 12 cups. Makes a great cup of coffee every time. The hot plate stays hot for a long time. It's just basic. It's pretty straightforward. There's no setting up or anything. There's just one on and off switch, and that's on the side right here, and that's basically it. It's easy to clean. It doesn't take up too much counter space, and I really like it.
Thank you.
The Black & Decker coffee maker dripping away. This is our first pot.
Just continues to pour out.